Yo, what up YouTube? Codabear TV back at it again with another video. So today's video, obviously you can see as the title, unfortunately Dave, the Tall Pines photographer, got ran over by an ATV. He was trying to get that money shot. But guys, if you haven't, check out Tall Pines if you live in New York State or Pennsylvania. It's a great place to go, great people there, excellent staff, great camping, good prices. And it's just awesome. I love it. It's the second time I went up there. Dave has been fantastic the entire time. He takes amazing photos. If you guys go there and see him, like, tell him I sent you and everything. And if you have a big group, sometimes he comes out and he will take pictures of your group and then he posts it on the Tall Pines page. So guys, don't forget to check out Tall Pines ATV Park and enjoy the video. Tree. Woo. I don't know if I got it on camera because I was so scared he was gonna hit it. Take it out. Hit it. I don't know if you want her on it though. She'll fly off probably. Never talked this in the camera and he's probably gonna break his shit now. Get some air. I don't know. I don't think it's going to miss us. It's coming. Did he get him in the head?
Call the phone. Somebody call somebody. You're right there. I'm good. Stay down there for a second.
The camera guy's down. Camera.
Smile for the camera. I can always craft it out.
I pour some water on that. Try to get the mud away from it.
And did you get them wipies or anything?
Where's the nurse?
I want to get the wipes. No, I'll be back on the ground. I'll head back to the car and do it.
You didn't hit your head or anything, did you?
Oh yeah. He hit his head. Oh yeah, did a lot of hits.
So far the head looks fine.
I said, where's the nurse? I feel so fucking shitty right now.
Why? Where's the nurse?
How many times have people broke their shit from shit I told them to do? But it's my turn. My better half. It's my turn. I mean, I'm not having good luck.
I always dodge the big orange thing.
I want to see that shot.
But he told me that.
I don't know which camera. Is it this camera or was it?
Where's the other camera?
I got it
Bones,
right here.
Bones, there's nothing wrong with his
It's
ass.
a little beat up.
Can you move everything?
There's nothing wrong with his ass.
It just hurts to move it. It's a great shot.
Is it? How good?
It is. Because you're coming right the fuck at me.
Well, yeah, I fucking hate you.
Did you get any more?
That was the last one. That was yeah. Listen, my leg hurts really bad.
Oh, that's broke.
Yeah, that's a big
Something looks
Don't
broken.
move nothing.
That one might be broke.
My leg hurts really bad.
Why don't you call him?
Yeah. In the backpack are two like waterproof things. Just put them in that for me. Wrap them in that.
Yeah, that's my Narcan.
Nice little cut right there.
Someone's OD in here.
You got Narcan? I don't need Narcan.
No, you're not.
Although it might help right now.
It won't do nothing.
On your shin when you get hit on the shin.
Somebody try to
I
stand me
will
up.
definitely have to get checked out.
You want to stand up.
You want a band-aid there?
Can you put any pressure on it?
The cut?
There
we go.
Just very, very, very bruised.
He's gonna hurt.
Good. We'll find out tomorrow. You know I'm gonna get yelled at for this stuff. You know I'm probably gonna get.
I didn't see nothing.
Chelsea got all
Dude, if
muddy
anybody
again.
tells you anything, I stood in the way. I told you to come at me.
You say you were hiding behind a tree? You said come towards me?
Back, whatever it takes.
But I think it's because all from my eyes.
His bell rung.
Thank God you have nice breath.
She's a nurse.
Well, twisted tea?
No, yeah, she's a nurse.
Can you tell me what year it is?
A different floor.
Oh God. 2019.
And where are you right now?
Am I side by side with a bunch of people looking at me?
Well, he's oriented.
He's
gonna
good.
live.
He's good.
So as you can see, guys, Dave did get up. He did do fine. His leg was very, very swollen. It almost looked like it was broke at first. The swelling did go down later. He did have a pretty good sized gash. They just wrapped it up really good. Hopefully it heals in time. But everything else, I mean, did hit his head. He didn't seem like he was concussed, but he was coherent and everything. He came out and hung out with us later that night. So guys, if you haven't, like I said before, please check out Tall Pines ATV Park. Great place to ride, great people, very inexpensive. Like for a weekend, you know, you go to ride for the day, it's 20 bucks. If you want to camp overnight, it's just another 10 bucks. So it's really not expensive at all. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't, share the video, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.